Hello everyone. I hope you had a good night and great time with your friends and family during the weekend. Today, I would like to share you a mini app that I asked Google AI Studio coded for me. It will listen to your voice through the audio or video, compare with transcripts, and give us some advice. I think it's easy to use. Those three steps. Now I will show you more detail about how to use this. Let's start. Just click in the link I sent to you and you will go to the Google AI Studio. Please click allow microphone. It's been waiting and it will show you a first step, record your version. You can use the microphone to record your voice. Like let me check microphone and waiting. And you can upload your recording. You can upload the audio or video, but I suggest you using the audio because the video needs more time to process. So I will upload. Okay, I just upload video. Sorry, but it will change graphics, even audio or video. It listen your voice and change graphic your audio. I think the AI can listen your voice, understand what you say. Maybe the person people you talk with will understand what you say. Yeah, you can see when I upload the video, it need more time to process. Just wait. And here you are, the transcription, what I say. And the two steps. The next step, you will provide the reference. You can upload the reference audio file, or you can enter script by typing. Yeah, yes, I like to copy the transcript and paste here. And the final step, get your feedback. Just click this button and waiting. I think it will take around 10 seconds or more to listen, compare, and analyzing the mistake. Give them some advice. Let's quit. Hmm. They I think very slow, maybe more than the people, right? And here you are. Well, my results. Yeah, overall feedback. And you can see this my mistake. It will be highlighted in my records. And you can see more detail. Yeah. And you will suggest you how to linking the word like header, givers, or thinkers. So that's all I want to share with you today. Thank you for watching.